Go.
Hi there, Lori Steinfeld, the original wall stamp. So we are doing a white brick on top of a gray background. So this client painted the back wall a really pretty gray, Dunn Edwards porpoise, but she did 75%. This is Whisper White, again, Dunn Edwards. And then I am going over the Whisper White. Whisper White is a bright white, really pretty, clean, bright. There's not a lot of, it's just pure. Then I'm going over it with Swiss Coffee. So two colors, I'm loading it up pretty loaded, pretty saturated. You line it up, and then I get this, instead of using my little level, I do this because it goes super fast. Make sure it's straight. Stamp. Stamping brick can be difficult. You might want to find a friend to help you. My son's been here, and he's been rolling for me while I did all the high. And that's it. Look how pretty. That's it. Swiss Coffee, Whisper White, brick stamp, Dunn Edwards. This is Porpoise. It's beautiful. Check it out. TheOriginalWallStamp.com. We're on Amazon.